Hey, I'm Rodney, and let's say I'm a non-technical dev, and I vibe coded this app right here, and it's a sleep tracking app, and now I have a couple thousand users. It tracks things such as sleep sessions and sleep insights, among many other things. You can see there's a huge proliferation for databases because of vibe coding, but because I'm also non-technical, it's very difficult for me to find insights and relationships between all my tables. So this is where TextQL comes in. By configuring a simple connector, we give Anna, the TextQL agent, read access to our database and find insights that we cannot. Here's a chat interface. You can see here we have the Supabase connector configured and report mode toggled. We're going to ask Anna to give us insights about our sleep tracking data, as well as giving us ways that we can improve our user experience.
1 minute later.
So after about a minute and 13 tool calls, we're able to see Anna was able to draft up this report for us. But before we dive into that, let's quickly walk through the SQL calls that she was able to make. So she starts off by probing the table names and the schema of our tables to get a good sense of what our data looks like. Then you can see she starts doing some more in-depth queries from the ones that she made earlier. As you can see, this is passed through, and once she gets enough data, she's going to start making Python graphs. You can see that even if she generates queries that are wrong and broken, she's able to self-recover and realign and get back on track. And so quick dive for this report. We're able to see she generated an executive summary highlighting all 900 sleep sessions, giving us key findings about wearables and optimal temperatures for the room and whether if they recall the dreams or not, data performance, sleep quality distribution, and immediate action items that will help us directly in our app. So by making Supabase a first-class client on TextQL, we're allowing vibe coders to vibe analyze their data and ship better apps.